Hey there and welcome back to Me Tutorials. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful trick, how to filter your Power BI reports just by tweaking the URL. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create dynamic report views that show exactly the data you and your viewers care about, all with a simple URL change. Let's jump in and demystify how URL query string parameters work in Power BI so you can save time and level up your reporting skills. First things first, let's talk about the basic structure or the syntax for filtering Power BI reports through the URL. So whenever you want to apply a filter, you start with a question mark and the word filter, like this, question mark filter equals, so filter equals. This little part tells Power BI that you're passing a filter command through the URL. Think of it as knocking on the door and saying, hey, I've got special instructions for you. Next, you need to let Power BI know exactly what you're filtering. After filter equals, you type in the name of your table. Now this has to match the table's exact name in your data model. And here's a quick heads up, if your table name has spaces, replace those spaces with %20, written as %20. It's just how web addresses handle spaces, so Power BI can read the whole name without confusion. Following your table name, add a / and then the column that you want to filter on. It's a lot like giving someone clear directions. You say which folder, the table, and then which document inside that folder, the column. After that, it's time to apply your filter logic. You'll use abbreviations like EC for equals, NI for not equal, GT for greater than, LT for less than, G for greater or equal, and LA for less or equal. So for instance, if you wanted to only see data for the West region, you use EC followed by West in single quotes. Your syntax would read, for example, filter equals table / region EC West. Alright, let's see how this works in practice. Say you have your Power BI report open and you glance at the URL. You'll probably spot a part that says experience equals Power BI. To activate your filter, you actually want to remove everything after your report identifier, including experience equals Power BI. So just erase that portion and get ready to add your filter parameter. Let's try filtering by region first. After the main part of your report's URL, type a question mark, then filter equals table / region EC West. Be careful with spelling and capitalization. They need to match what's in your data model. Now hit enter and wait a moment. You'll see the report update to show just the data for the West region. It's instant filtering with 0 clicks in the report itself. Want to try another example? Maybe you're interested in a specific product category like electronics. Just change your filter to filter equals table / category EC electronics and press enter again. The report will now hone in on the electronics data, making your analysis so much faster, especially when sharing links with colleagues who just need to see their slice of the business. And there you have it. You can use this same method to filter for different columns and values as you need. Don't worry if it doesn't work the first time, double-check for typos or mismatched table and column names. With a bit of practice, you'll start to see how powerful and flexible Power BI URLs can be for custom, shareable views. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like. Got questions or want to see more advanced Power BI tricks? Drop them in the comments below. I read them all and I'm here to help. And of course, hit subscribe so you don't miss any future Me Tutorials updates. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.